Are you looking for the best food processors in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 6 best food processors that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor. If you're looking for a powerful food processor that can handle the toughest ingredients with ease, then you'll want to check out the 1000 peak watt motor. The Ninja food processor is one of the most powerful and versatile kitchen appliances on the market. With a 1000 peak watt motor, it can easily handle the toughest ingredients. The 4 Auto IQ intelligent preset programs make food prep a breeze, and the 9-cup processing bowl is perfect for large families or entertaining guests. The dough mixer attachment makes it a snap to mix dough, and the included recipe guide provides inspiration for delicious meals. The Ninja food processor is easy to clean and comes with a 2-year warranty. We highly recommend the Ninja food processor for anyone in the market for a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance. At number 2, Cuisinart Elemental Food Processor. If you're looking for a powerful food processor, the Cuisinart food processor is a must-have appliance for any kitchen. With a powerful motor and a variety of included blades and discs, this food processor can handle any food prep task you throw at it. The Seal-Tight Advantage system seals the bowl and locks the blade in place, making it safe and easy to use. The Supreme wide-mouth feed tube allows you to easily add ingredients, and the convenient electronic touchpad controls make it easy to operate. The included dicing disc and cleaning tool make cleanup a breeze. The Cuisinart food processor is a versatile and durable appliance that will make your life easier in the kitchen. The instruction manual and recipe booklet are included, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. At number 3, Cuisinart DFP14 BCNY Food Processor. If you're looking for a powerful food processor, the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor is a must-have for any kitchen. It has a powerful 720-watt motor that can handle almost anything, and it comes with a Lexan bowl, extra-large feed tube, and small and large pusher bowl sleeve assembly. The detachable disc stem makes it easy to use and clean, and the cord length is 36 inches. It also includes a stainless steel standard slicing disc, 4 mm, medium shredding disc, and stainless steel chopping/mixing blade. The spatula, instruction manual, and recipe booklet are also included. The Cuisinart 14-cup food processor has a full 5-year warranty on the motor, and a limited 3-year warranty. The Cuisinart 14-cup food processor is a great choice for any kitchen. It has a powerful motor, it's easy to use. At number 4, Breville BFP 800 XL Food Processor. If you're looking for a powerful food processor looking for a versatile and powerful food processor, look no further than the Cuisinart Elemental 8-cup food processor. This food processor comes with 5 multi-function discs and 3 blades out of the box, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks such as chopping, slicing, shredding, and pureeing. The 5.5-inch super wide feed chute reduces the need to pre-cut most fruits and vegetables, saving you time in the kitchen. The Cuisinart Elemental 8-cup food processor also includes 2 BPA-free processing bowls, a 16-cup large bowl and a 2.5-cup small processing bowl. The LCD display displays a count-up and count-down auto timer, making it easy to keep track of your processing time. The accessory storage box can be stored horizontally or vertically based on your storage space. The Cuisinart Elemental 8-cup food processor is the perfect kitchen appliance for those who are looking for a versatile and powerful food processor. At number 5, Wundermix Hybrid Glass Food Processor. If you're looking for a powerful food processor ultra-thin glass screen protector, look no further than the ultra-thin hybrid glass screen protector. Made of a high-tech composite material, this screen protector is easy to install and provides an Ultra HD quality experience with maximum transparency and color fidelity. Thanks to the precision lasers used to cut the protector to size, you'll get a perfect fit every time. And because it's made by the market leader for screen protectors in Germany, you can be sure you're getting the best quality available. So if you're looking for a top-quality, ultra-thin glass screen protector, the ultra-thin hybrid glass screen protector is the perfect choice. At number 6, KitchenAid Cordless Food Processor. If you're looking for a powerful food processor the Cuisinart Compact Cordless Chopper is the perfect tool for those who want the freedom to prep anywhere, without being tethered to a cord. This compact chopper is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, so you can take it anywhere, indoors or out. It also comes with a universal charger, so you can use it with any other cordless products in the Cuisinart collection. The chopper has a 5-cup capacity and comes with a multi-purpose blade and a whisk attachment, both of which fit neatly inside the work bowl. It also has a space-saving design, so you can easily store it in your kitchen cabinets. If you're looking for a versatile and convenient chopper, the Cuisinart Compact Cordless Chopper is the perfect choice. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.